Tell me the question once again.
हाँ mx is equal to 4x cube
Hmm.
plus 8x square
Hmm.
plus 64x
Hmm.
minus 5.
And next.
Nx is equal to 3 upon 2x square
Hmm.
plus 4x
Hmm.
minus 25.
Okay. We have to subtract n from n. 4x cube plus 8x square plus 64x minus 5. Subtract it. 0x cube as cubic term is upset in second polynomial plus 3 upon 2x square plus 4x minus 25. Change sign. 4 minus 0, 4 x cube. 8 minus 3 by 2 plus 8 minus 3 by 2
Answer done.
x square plus 60x plus 20. So it is 4x cube plus 13 by 2 x square plus 60x plus 20. Check that you also got the same answer.
4x cube plus 13 upon 2x square plus 68x. No, wait.
68,
60x will come, not
60x plus
68,
uh,
plus 20.
plus 20, right? As we have changed the sign of 4 in the second polynomial, no? So it will be subtracted from
Yes.
64. Okay.
Yes.
Now, is there any doubt in the subtraction part?
No.
No, no? Okay. So shall we proceed
No.
further for multiplication, scalar multiplication and division of polynomials?
Okay.
What time is it now?
Huh?
What time is it now?
4, 4.
4, no?
Yeah.
Okay, we have a lot of time now. We started at
We
3,
start 3:15.
350. Okay. असं जास्त नाही नव्हते लाईक येस्टरडे.
नाही, आपण मल्टिप्लिकेशन घेऊ आज आणि
हा.
मग स्केलर आणि डिव्हिजन उद्या घेऊ.
Okay. Okay. Now next, before multiplication, scalar multiplication part is there.
ओके.
Scalar multiplication, as you can check in that notebook itself, I have written in these algebraic operations in this sequence only. First addition, then subtraction, then scalar multiplication, and then multiplication of polynomials, and then division is there. Okay. Okay. Now scalar multiplication. This word scalar might be new for you.
Yes.
Are you scared of this word?
Oh, if I understood, then nothing.
Okay. Scalar. See, the numbers are scalars and scalars in the polynomials. Okay. It is like the constants. Scalars equals to constants.
Okay.
Okay. But why this
Yes.
word is used over constants? As we are familiar with the word constant, no?
Yes.
Then why this word is used scalar? That you will understood in 12th standard. When
Okay.
in 12th standard, or might be this you will understand in 11th standard in physics subject.
Okay.
Okay. So for now, for the sake of simplicity, for the sake of simplicity, as The scalar is not exactly the constant. Understood?
Oh, okay.
Okay. But in order to just understand scalar multiplication of polynomials, instead of getting into the meaning, getting deep dive into the meaning of scalar word, we just perform multiplication. We just try to understand how this multiplication works. And for that
Okay.
simplicity purpose only, I am letting these scalars are not different than constants, just
Okay.
for the sake of simplicity. But these two are different words. These two words have different meanings. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm. Now, scalar multiplication. Let's go towards actual scalar multiplication. Example, 3 into 2x cube plus 4x minus root 3. See, this is polynomial, say f of x, and this is scalar k. This 3 is scalar.
Okay.
Okay, that means what? We are multiplying real number to a polynomial. This is scalar.
Oh, okay.
Understood the meaning?
Yes.
Okay, now as simple as 3 into 2x cube plus 4x minus root 3. Now, see, I have written multiplication sign here, but not here.
Yes. Bracket is there, so.
Bracketing is there, so if it is not written, it is absolutely fine. No need to write
Yes.
multiplication sign every time. But if it is
Yes.
not written, it is understood. It is but obvious
Yes.
that there is a multiplication. Okay. Now see, it is equal to. Actual answer starts from here. See, open this bracket, multiply this plus 3, its sign is plus, it is not written. Don't forget that. This sign plus is
Yes.
there, it is not written there, it is not mentioned. No need to mention that plus sign. Okay. Now it is 3 into 2 x cube plus 3 into 4x minus 3 into root 3. This is what scalar multiplication is. Have you understood?
Yes.
Okay. Let me give few more examples to you and you solve it right now. Write these examples and try to solve right now. Done? How many?
No doing.
How many done? One at least.
No, I'm still doing. I did not understand the root 1. 5 root 2.
Why? What is complexity there?
Yes, I'm doing.
Okay. Shall I help?
I'm trying.
Hmm. Please tell me how can I help you? Okay, I am
Wait two
erasing
minutes.
above question and you will then
Okay.
we will solve the same question on same screen. Hmm? What you what you find difficult, complex in the scalar multiplication. In this second example, sorry,
Multiplying the. Huh.
5 root 2. You need to multiply this 5 root 2 to root 2, right? Multiply root 2
Yes.
x cube. Is there any difficulty? I am directly writing the answer. Hmm? Now see, this
Hmm.
plus 5 root 2, okay, will get multiplied to this minus. Then plus multiply minus will give us result
Minus.
minus. So it must be minus sign in between the second term and the third term. Understood? Let's do it
Yes.
slowly. Okay. Now 5 root 2 is there, 5 root 2 is there, and here there is 5 root 2. Multiply 5 root 2. Coefficient x square. Understood? Again, this plus gets multiplied to this plus and results into plus sign. 5 root 2, 7 root 2. 5 root 2 multiply 7 root 2. Is there any x term? Yes, x. Okay, plus is 5 root 2 into 4 root 2. Have you understood? Have you noted down this step?
Yes. I did till here.
Till here you did. Okay. Now see, this
Yes.
5 will remain as it is into this root 2 into root 2 will become root 2 the whole square x cube minus again here 5 into 5 5 square into root 2 square x square plus over here see 5 into 7 35 root 2 into root 2 root 2 square x plus over here 5 fours are 20 root 2 square. See this square will cancel the square root and then 5 into 2 x cube minus 5 square 25 root 2 and square cancel into 2 x square plus 5 into this root and square root cancel 5 into 2 x plus here also the square and square root cancel 20 into 2. So it results into 10x cube minus 50 x square plus 10x minus sorry plus 40. That's it. That's it.
I got 10x cube minus 50x square plus 10x minus 40.
Why
Plus 40.
minus
Plus
4
40.
plus 40? Why minus
Plus
40?
40.
Okay, so second example you solved correctly. Go for third one now.
Yes. Sir, second one I got it.
Okay, let me check. Minus 28x square
Square
plus
plus
21
20x
minus
minus 7 root
7
3.
root 3.
Yes,
Fourth one.
doing. Sir, minus 3 root 2 x square
Hmm.
minus 9x
Hmm.
minus 12.
Okay, check this one.
That one only.
Okay. So have you understood scalar multiplication?
Yes.
Okay. Now keep in mind, it is not like key once in an example we can use only scalar multiplication, and in another example we need to only add. In the next example we need to only subtract. It is not. It will not be like that. Understood?
Okay.
Anywhere we need to use any of the rules, any of the laws of indices. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, whatever we have learned so far, that will be useful, that will be useful in solving problems, in multiplying polynomials, in dividing polynomials, in scalar multiplication of polynomials, etc. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now, shall we proceed further for multiplication of polynomials
Sir, I'll do. You give me some homework on this.
on this? Okay, let me give some homework on
Yes.
this. Your today's homework first. Yesterday's examples I already have given you. Subtract f of x, g of x from f of x. Yesterday's 5 examples.
Yes. Okay, that only in
That only.
multiplication.
Same examples f
Oh,
at g, m and n, p and q. That examples only.
okay.
Subtract second from first. Okay, instead of adding. Yesterday you added now. Today
Yes.
you subtract only. Okay. Next.
Okay.
Next is scalar multiplication now. Let me give some examples on scalar multiplication. Are you noting these questions now?
Yes.
Okay. Is that enough? 4 examples?
Yes.
Let me know once you are done. Then we will proceed for multiplication of polynomials. Okay?
Yes, sir. Done writing.
Done writing? Okay. So shall we proceed for multiplication of polynomials?
Okay.
Next topic is multiplication of polynomials. Before going forward, let's recall types of polynomials, that is classification.
Okay.
Hmm? First, there were,
Monomials.
then,
Binomials.
then,
Trinomials.
and lastly,
Polynomials.
polynomials. Okay. Now, multiplication questions, monomial into monomial. That is one type of multiplication of polynomials.
Okay.
Second type, monomial into
Into
binomial.
binomial.
Okay. What will be third? Guess one. Guess third one.
Monomial into trinomial.
Monomial into trinomial. Okay. Monomial into trinomial. Hmm. Fourth one,
Binomial into binomial.
binomial into binomial. Very good. Fifth, trinomial into trinomial.
Yes.
What else is remaining? Forget about polynomial. Okay. Monomial into
Okay.
polynomial. Okay, let's write monomial
Then
into polynomial.
binomial into trinomial.
Binomial into trinomial. Okay. Binomial into trinomial. Then seventh,
Uh,
monomial.
Trinomial into binomial.
That is the same now. Trino into binomial
Uh-huh.
or binomial into trinomial. It is like 3 into 5. It's same as 5 into 3.
5 into 3.
Okay. So monomial into polynomial. Then
Yes.
binomial into polynomial. Now we have next notification for 10 minutes. Binomial into polynomial. 9. Trinomial into polynomial. And lastly, polynomial into polynomial. That means what? The 4 terms polynomial multiply with 4 terms polynomial. That also can be done.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, 1 minute I'll
But
write this.
okay, write it down. But we are not going very deep into it because the questions like polynomial into polynomial, trinomial into polynomial, binomial into polynomial. That means polynomial of degree term 4, 4 term polynomial. That type of questions are very rare and are very rarely useful. That kind of multiplication is very rare. Okay,
Okay.
write it down and then we'll go for examples.
Okay. Done, sir.
Done with this?
Yes.
Okay, now we will go for examples. Okay, uh, example of each type. First, monomial by monomial multiply with monomial. Okay, tell me one monomial.
3x square.
3x square. Multiply. Tell me another monomial.
5x square.
5x raised to 7.
Okay, raised to
It is
7.
not necessary that degree of each monomial must be same.
Okay.
Okay. Also, let me tell you one more thing. In second example, first monomial we are taking it as root 3 x cube and next monomial 5y square. Will it be okay?
Yes.
Okay for you, that means will it be okay for you? In first monomial there is a variable x and in second there is
Yeah,
variable
variables are
y.
different.
Variables are different. Okay, note
Yeah.
this thing you must know. Okay, now see,
Okay.
3x square into 5x raised to 7. Hmm? How to multiply 3x square into 5x raised to 7? See, this number is there, this 3 and 5, these two are numbers, so multiply these two numbers. Multiply variables x square into x raised to 7. Understood?
Yes.
As simple as that.
Yes.
3 5s are
50.
okay. And x raised to 2 into x raised to 7. How much it will be?
X raised to 14.
Why 14? A raised to
7
m
plus 2
into
addition.
a
Addition.
raised to
Huh.
n is equal to a raised to m
A
plus
raised to m
n.
plus n.
Yes, this law of indices will be applicable here in the multiplication. So it is
Yes.
15x raised to 9. Okay, and here
Yes.
in second example, root 3x cube into 5y square. See, root 5 cannot be multiplied directly with root only 5. We need to for that convert this root 3 into decimals. Okay, so let's
Oh,
keep this as it is, 5 root 3. Got it? Understood it or not?
yes, yes.
Okay, next. X cube is there. Write it x cube and y square. As this variable is different, this variable is different. As I told you on that day, oil cannot be easily mixed with water. So one variable x is like oil and other variable is like water. These two cannot be mixed.
Yes,
Here it is like x square is like water, x raised to 7 is like milk. Milk can be easily mixed with water. As
yes,
only powers, that is indices, are different.
yes,
Have you understood this answer?
yes, sir.
Okay. So monomial by monomial. I think you are tired now.
Yes.
Take a break. The meeting will end in 3 minutes. Write it down. Take a break of 5-10 minutes and then we'll come back.
सर बाकीचं उद्या घेतलं तर चालेल?
Why?
बास आता बाउन्सर चाललंय.
बाउन्सर चाललाय. बरं ठीक आहे. बाकीचं उद्या घेऊयात मग.
हा.
ठीक आहे.
ओके सर.
You need to write it now?
Yes, I wrote it.
Okay.
Yes. Sir, can I leave?